Hola, bienvenidos a todos. ¿Cómo estás? How are you today? Hello, everyone. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Very soon, we are going to have class together with Open English Mode. My name is Megan. I am the teacher for today's class. How are you today? Envía tus comentarios. How are you? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? I am from the United States. I see we have some people watching already. That is great. Very soon we will have class together. Muy pronto vamos a tener clase. We will talk about study habits, consejos para estudiar inglés. So let me prepare things here on Instagram. Envía tus comentarios. ¿Cómo estás? ¿De dónde eres? Okay, hello Patricia from Mexico. Hello Flor from Uruguay. Graciela is from Buenos Aires. Excellent. Welcome. Great to see all of you today. Hello, everyone on Instagram. Hola, bienvenidos. ¿Cómo estás hoy? Envía tus comentarios. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Hello, Gustavo. Hello, Maricardo. Welcome. Hello, Lorena, Cadena, Elaine. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Bienvenidos. We are going to talk about study habits today with Open English Mode. Good morning, Alexandre. Hello, Jorge. Hello, Namikaze from Nicaragua. Welcome. Hello, Lady from Mexico. Hello, Tina on Instagram. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Okay, es hora. Vamos a comenzar. We can start today's topic. So, bienvenidos a Open English Mode. 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. Mi nombre es Meghann de Chicago, Estados Unidos, y soy profesora de inglés con 5 años de experiencia enseñando en Open English. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre consejos para estudiar inglés. So today we are going to talk about study habits and ways that we can study English. So welcome everyone. I see hello Bernardo. More people are saying hello. That is great. So let's talk about study habits. Envía tus comentarios. What are some of your current study habits for learning English? Today we will talk about this. So send your ideas. What are some current study habits you use for learning English? And I will talk about some recommendations from Open English. So your study habits for learning English should become part of your routine. They should also reflect an efficient approach, enfoque eficiente, to learning a language. You want to maximize your study time, right? And your study habits should also be specific. Specificity is important. All of these things, routine, efficiency, and specificity, can help you have success when you apply your study habits to learning English. So let me see your comments here. What are some of your current study habits for learning English? I see more people are saying hello. Victor says hello from Colombia. Hello, Jennison. Hello, Merlina. Gonzalo. Excellent. How do you study English currently? Envía tus comentarios. What are your ideas? For example, one thing we can say for all of you is I participate in Open English Mode classes, right? This is something you are all doing now. This is a great way to study your English. Let's see, any other ideas here? Elaine says routine. Okay, you have a good study routine. That is great. Hello, Jeanette from Colombia. Hello, everyone. Okay, let's talk more about study habits and we can share recommendations together. Let's talk about this first study habit here, routine. Okay, so envía tus comentarios, send your ideas. For this activity, we want to talk about routine. What is a study habit that you can use every day to practice English? Good. Juan says he watches movies on Instagram in English. Excellent, Juan. Good. So envía tus comentarios, share your ideas. What is a study habit that you can use every day, cada día, to practice English. I will read some recommendations here. So the phrase practice makes perfect means you need to practice a skill to master it. Regular practice is key. It is very important for studying a language. If you study English once in a while, a veces, it will be difficult to remember what you learned. So learn English faster, más rápido, by making it part of your daily routine. So for example, every day you can check the posts on OE social media. You can listen to a song in English. Do you have other ideas? What is something you can do every day to practice English? Jonathan says, I like to read books in English. Great. Shelley says, I love to study English with songs. Namakazi says, practice listening. Elaine says, read books. Excellent. Very good. Let me add some of these ideas here. So we had people talking about read books in English. That's a great way to practice. Practice listening, I saw. Many people talked about listening. Good. Excellent. Marlena says, for vocabulary, I try to memorize the words that I hear every single day. Good. Juan Carlos says, think in English. Excellent. These are great strategies here. Very good. I will put this, try to memorize new vocabulary. Try to think in English. Good, excellent. Great strategies here. Lots of great ideas. Let's continue. Let's talk about other ways to have success with our English study habits. Okay, so now we are going to talk about efficiency, getting the most from your time studying. So envía tus comentarios. What are some daily activities you can do to study English that include multiple components of language? For example, you want to practice pronunciation and vocabulary and listening. So help us complete the chart. What are some efficient ways to study English? We want to make sure that our English study habits reflect a complete look at language and include all the parts of language: vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening, and speaking. So when you have time to study English, try to make the most of your time by choosing a study habit or activity that includes multiple parts of the language. For example, in an open English class, you can learn vocabulary and grammar, you can practice pronunciation, and you can practice listening and speaking. What are other activities you can do to study English that can help you incorporate or use multiple parts of the language? Let me see your ideas. Okay, watch for some comments here. Maybe one idea is that you can have a conversation in English with someone you know, with a friend, with someone who is studying English. And this can help you practice new vocabulary. You can practice using complete sentences with correct grammar. You can practice pronunciation. And in a conversation, you practice listening and also speaking. So trying to have a conversation, it can be an effective, efficient way to practice English. I'll see if we have other ideas here. Good. Sylvia says, I practice reading English books and watching English videos. Excellent. Great strategy there. Let me add this to our chart. So I will put reading books and watching videos. And when you watch videos, you can practice listening. You can learn new vocabulary. Reading books, you can learn new vocabulary and grammar. Maybe you can practice speaking and pronunciation by explaining the books or videos to a friend. Practice using English to explain these books or videos to a friend, to another person who is studying English. Excellent, great ideas here, great strategies. Let's continue. Let's talk about being specific. Y bienvenidos a todos. Estamos estudiando juntos con Open English Mode. We are studying study habits for learning English together with Open English Mode. So let's talk about specificity. Envía tus comentarios, share your ideas. What specific study habits can you use? I will read some suggestions here, consejos. So we want to set goals that you can achieve. Achieve es lograr. For example, when you make New Year's resolutions de Año Nuevo, you probably know that making a general goal like be healthy or learn English can be difficult to achieve. If you have specific study habits, you can add them to your daily routine, and they can help you achieve your ultimate language goals, tus metas. So for example, practice English and study vocabulary. These are very general. It can be helpful to be more specific. So plan a study habit like take an open English class once a week or learn 5 new English words every day. This can help you add your studying to your routine. So I will watch for your ideas. What specific study habits can you use? And did you know that in addition to live classes, registered Open English students have access to a platform with daily lessons, articles with comprehension questions, common expressions, and videos in English? So if you are a registered Open English student, you can make a specific study habit related to being on the platform. For example, spend 30 minutes every day using the Open English platform. So let's see your ideas. What other specific study habits can you use? Namikaze says, sing a song in English. Marlena says, fix students' mistakes on this page. Okay, practice correcting other learners, okay? Singing songs, good, Namikaze, excellent. Very good. And you can make this more specific. Maybe you can say, singing one song every day in English. This can help you achieve this goal. It will help you remember to do this. Good, great strategies here. Excellent participation. Thank you for your great ideas. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Okay, so let's review, repasar. That is important when you study, to review what you learned. And envía tus comentarios. What study habits will you use to practice English this week? So think about this, send your comments. I will watch for your ideas. So let's remember, as you study English, continue to review what you learn. This can help you build on your language skills and improve. Today, we learned that effective study habits for learning English should be part of a routine, efficient, and specific. So what do you think? Send your ideas. What study habits will you use to practice English this week? How can you put English into your routine? How can you be efficient and specific this week? I will watch for your ideas here. Oh, I see lots of strategies using songs. Pao says, when I was young, I tried to learn English by looking at the translation of Nirvana's songs. Good, excellent. That is a fun strategy. Good. This week, can you listen to more songs in English? Do you have strategies for learning English this week? What study habits will you use? For example, this week I will watch Open English Mode on Facebook. This will be on Monday. So in 7 days, you can watch Open English Mode again to practice more English. Any other ideas? Okay, good. I see Marlena says watch tutorials on YouTube. Excellent. Great strategy. Arcide says read books. Okay, that's great. Let me add these here. I will put watch tutorials and read books. Excellent. Great participation today. Lots of great strategies. We can continue to practice learning English together. And at Open English, we will try to help you make English practice an efficient and specific part of your routine. So thank you everyone for a great class. Congratulations. Espero que les haya gustado la clase de hoy. Los esperamos el próximo lunes para que aproveches 10 minutos más de inglés gratis con Open English. Y no lo olvides, inscríbete a nuestro curso en openenglish.com para que domines el inglés tan rápido como tú decidas. ¡Te esperamos!